We have a brand new Ram 1500 crew cab. This has the 5.5 foot short bed right here. We installed the UnderCover Ultra Flex hard folding cover, heavy duty aluminum construction, sits low profile on the truck bed. When you lock your tailgate, it's secure. You can go out to your truck, unlock the tailgate. Some of these trucks have the new power tailgate lock. Lower tailgate to open it. You can see here from either side there's a pull cable, so you go out here, pull this from either side, flip it up all the way to the back of the bed. We also outfitted this truck bed with the XLT BedRug mat and the UnderCover swing cases. These are excellent cargo management accessories and bed protection products. This is that swing out toolbox. You have your tools coming toward you when you pull that out, push it in. Driver's side and passenger side. These are removable as well, so if you just want to lift them out, it comes right out. This cover has a custom fit rail system with weather sealing on the rail. It's all clamped on, custom fit, no drilling required. And then it locks in increments along the rail system, so you can't lift it up here. You have to pull this under here in order to unlock it, and that's what locks the cover. And then you can drive with it right here, go down the road in this position, highway speed safe. People like that. You can travel with it open. When the day comes and you need that full bed access, you just pull that one more time, flip it up all the way to the back, and then you get your full bed access here in a matter of seconds. This has the BedRug carpeted interior, which matches the BedRug on the bottom. This is cool to the touch because this cover gets hot in the Arizona climate. If you want to drive with this cover open, you just pop out these rods on the side and then it goes right up here, so you can drive with it open. So I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. There, you can drive with that cover open like that. It does not touch the back window, so you can go down the road highway speed safe. If you ever need to take off the cover, you just twist off the knobs on the bottom and then you can take it off. And if any water gets inside, it goes out of the drain tubes in the back. So this cover will not limit you at all because you can drive with it open. You can remove it if you need to. So the UnderCover Ultra Flex, they give you a 5-year warranty from the factory. It covers all the small details like the weather sealing on the rail. These are steel strong clamps. It has a light here. You can turn on the light. Unbuckle it right here. Each time you fold it, it's locking right there. It has an integrated seal. These used to stick out, now they're inward. You just shut the cover, close the tailgate, and all of this will mold to the side of the truck bed, so once it hits the sun, it goes down. But that's how it looks right there out the box. You get a 10-year warranty when you get it professionally installed at Truck Access Plus here in Phoenix, or you get a 5-year warranty anywhere in the country if we ship it to you. And you can see here how nice that finish looks. It has a very nice alluring finish, matte black. Visit truckaccessplus.com for truck bed cover installation.